Hey guys, welcome to my Pakistan vlog series. I'll be sharing my adventure which happened in mid-2019. I arrived in Karachi to catch up with my relatives. However, the fun began when I took the train to the city Rawalpindi. From there, we traveled by road all the way to the China border. I hope to share my experiences along the way. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss the following episodes. Alright, now back to the video. I shall skip Karachi and dive right into the tour up north. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the green line. We're basically fast forwarding. I didn't vlog much in Karachi. I didn't find it very suitable and I was a bit sick. So finally, we are taking a train from the Karachi station, railway station, all the way to Rawalpindi. And from there we'll be traveling all the way up north. So I hope it's going to be an exciting journey. We managed to book this so-called green line. Apparently it's a business class cabin, so we can sit sleep 6 people in one cabin. So check it out. There's a little dude right here. And son, try to close the door. Oh yeah, that's it. You can open up. Alright, so as you can see, there's a bed up there, and then this will end up in as another bed, and then there's one small bed at the bottom, and then this is the window. So basically it's pretty small, right? Yeah. Hello. Hi guys.
Oh man, it's super cold out here.
And yes, very important, this is air conditioned. The thing is, it's summer and it's really, really hot. So I was kind of looking forward to this because of the air conditioning. It's nice, it smells good, everything is fresh.
And it's business class.
Yeah, business class, I just mentioned that.
Okay.
Well, I hope we have a fun journey and I'll update you as I go along. So thanks for watching. Here's Lizzie Pie, getting all cozy, and here is the legendary biryani queen. Yeah.
I saw that.
Oh look, they even got a little television on top.
How are you? Are you fine?
Yes, we're all good.
You like this? My Pakistan train?
Yes, I'm loving it.
Okay, very good.
We are having our dinner. It's actually about 10:30. We just settled down in the train. The train is moving and it came on time. So we're having a broast. So it's a really classic Pakistani dish. I don't know what it is. Is it Pakistani dish?
Homemade.
It's like a homemade kind of thing. I don't know what they call it. Roast and broiled. So you kind of combine these two together. We call it roast. Alright, I know it's a funny name, but yeah, it tastes awesome. Right, here it is. Check it out.
Homemade.
Yep. So it's homemade stuff. I mean, it's good stuff. So one thing about the train, they actually provide mineral water, 1 bottle per person. Pretty decent. But the good thing is they also have a huge water dispenser. I mean, this is very essential for travel. Let me have a chunk of that. Shall I? Nice. For having a good night's sleep, enjoying hot black tea. There you go. Cheers. Morning guys, we just had our morning breaks. We're still in the train. The whole journey is apparently 22 hours long. It's very long, it's like almost a whole day. So just chilling out, checking out the sights. The landscape is going to change and so is the weather, so stay tuned for more updates. here. Got my breakfast inside, and I found out that there's this little green line kit inside. So one of those, early morning stuff. Let's see what they got. Got a little disposable shaver, wet tissue. What else? Dental kit. Liquid soap. Yep. I need that. Comb. Hanky. Oh, that's right. It's not bad, huh? I mean, it's business class, so they give you all this stuff. I just brushed my teeth, freshen up, and it's time for breakfast now. So this is what we've got. Okay. So you've got butter here, bread, egg, and a little bit of jam. Some black tea. It's a pretty essential breakfast. So let me start it. Alright, it's lunchtime here and they provide lunch as well. So let's check out what they have for lunch. So this is it. This is some gravy here and they have naan. Is that naan? Yes. Naan, some dal, and this is halwa, the sweet stuff. And this is biryani. I mean, biryani, it's like the very common stuff here. And together with the biryani, you got raita, which is a little bit of yogurt, probably good for digestion. Yummy. And I have been eating. I'm almost done with my food. I'd say the food is delicious. It's authentic, and especially while you're traveling, I mean, you can't be asking for more. But I'm pretty happy with the service right now.
We are having so much fun.
You're having so much fun, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So we started our journey at 10 p.m. last night. It is about 1:13 p.m. and I'd say we covered quite a lot of land already. We're actually near Lahore, which is actually near India. So it's pretty interesting. We even came across a nuclear power plant. I mean, I have not seen a nuclear power plant before. So you can see that nuclear thingy, and then lots of power lines just coming out. It's just fascinating. We should be reaching Rawalpindi at about 7 p.m. That brings us to about 6 more hours left. Yeah, should be there on time, I guess. Currently we are fast approaching Rawalpindi station, so we are getting ready to get off. Lots of luggage. We're gonna act fast. We just arrived at Rawalpindi train station. We dumped all the bags down there, down here, right after the train stop. I don't know what to say. It's pretty cold in the train. Now it's kind of warm, but still okay. We're gonna check out where to stay for the night before we head out early tomorrow morning.
It's a mess.
Alright guys, so we are in some hotel. I wouldn't really call it a shady hotel, but we're just gonna be here for just one night and we're gonna leave really early. So just a quick place for us to have our dinner and sleep. So this is how it looks like. We managed to get all our luggages up. There is no lift, so this is on the 2nd floor, and the rest of our family is on the 3rd floor. So there's one double bed and one single bed right here. Air conditioning is off because the weather is thankfully pretty good, so we did not opt for the air conditioning. Tiny little television in there. Washroom facilities are decent. Okay, so all in all, I am pretty glad everything is turning out pretty okay so far. However, the vehicle that we came in just now, not so comfortable, right? So we might get a different vehicle, probably for a higher price, which we think would be more worthwhile, more comfortable for the long journeys to come. Fun fact, there's a Domino's right below. The aroma of the pizza comes up. It's pretty strong. I'm loving it. It smells great, making me hungry. I may not be having pizza though. Just want to have something light before I get to bed.